Back from the colour workshop, Jess needs a snack.
Is this... So tonight we went to get some new foods from the fridge. Hey, mate. And inside the fridge was a gnome.
Confused? Let me explain. As part of the booty in their safe, Kerry and Spence won a 1-point advantage that can be used at any judging, as long as they present this little fella who represents that bonus point. And then someone stole it and hid it in Jess's fridge. Right, where were we?
I know exactly what I'm going to do with this.
Just come to bed, and this little fella's laying in bed next to me, missus. You know what I'm going to do? One of Jess's best friends is flying a mirror from Western Australia, so I'm going to give her the garden gnome, and she can take it back with her. So she's on her to shave.